Now the belt's tensioned. You've still got some of the Loctite down here. It can usually peel straight off. But again, you want to make sure that you get a good seal. So wipe that down with lacquer thinner and wipe down the outside of the drivetrain at the same time. So we want to make sure that we clean it off, and we'll wipe down the bottom plate when we seal that up. Now you can put this in through here. It's a bit tight, so don't be afraid to loosen these bolts and lift the VFD up. Now with the VFD loose, we can turn it to the side, and this just drops in. And we can put the VFD back on and tighten it back up. And again, with everything we undo, whenever we put a bolt back on, it's always got Loctite. Even the ones that all we did was loosen down here, take them the rest of the way off, put Loctite back on them. Now that the VFD is back in place, we can get the vacuum pipe down. You'll know when it's down because it settles right in. You'll usually feel a solid click. And again, more blue Loctite. There, now we've got the vacuum pipe back in place, the motor's mounted, the belt is tensioned. All we need now is put the handle back on and put on the shroud.